Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make gun in Infinite Craft. Let's get started. First things first. You have to take water. Then add water to it. When you do that, it will make lake. Then go to the other side. Take fire. Then add water to it. When you do that it will make steam. The next step is to add fire to it. When you do that, it will make engine. Then add steam to it. When you do that, it will make train. Then go to the other side. Take engine. Then you have to add engine to it. When you do that, it will make rocket. Then you have to add rocket to train. When you do that, it will make bullet train. Now, add fire to it. When you do that, it will make bullet. Now, the last step is to add bullet to bullet. And the result is gun. Voila! And that's how you make gun in Infinite Craft. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Thanks for watching.